Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix cannot connect Facebook to Instagram. So in this situation, go for your profile, click on three line option, go for settings and privacy. Now click on account center, go for connected experience. Now in these two options, go for login with accounts. Now you have to turn on this allow all accounts to log in to each other. So you can go for it and go for continue. Okay, now it's connecting. So yeah, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.